Say hi to my vlog. Hi guys! I wanna sleep so badly.
Oh, is this for YouTube?
Really go flowers.
Spending us, free chest, nigga.
Guys, we're going to the beach, and Benny did not tell me we're going to a party. She just said, "Come, let's go to the beach." And I was like, "Oh, let's go to the beach." And look at me, I'm all casual, and she's dressed all non-casual. I love these shoes. Oh, it's not these. Those red bottoms. I really like this your jewelry stack.
Really?
I swear. But me, I'm not a gold person. Does she
want shopping?
I want to start having. Because me, I like silver.
I don't like silver. I don't hate silver, but
I don't like gold. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi guys. So we're going for like a beach house.
And look at how Benny is. So serious.
It's because I went to church. Maybe did not go to church.
I went to church. Funny enough.
Yes.
I saw it harvesters.
For real?
Yeah, I did. I don't like posting church because first month I say, "Oh, I saw you."
Really? It's not bad to post the church.
I don't know. I'm feeling. I don't know. Like I just.
It's Jerry. Not to play music.
Of course, no. It's not past Drake. I'm trying to vlog a week in my life. Like I said, if I used to do anything, I never go anywhere. Which song is this one? Play some jams, girl.
You'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now. Got me bummed out. You so baby. I've been on my hands.
My problem is all this like backing now on
Jesus!
I'm sorry, I feel so bad.
Yes, Roselle went and let her pick up whatever she want. CC Gucci, Hugo, take her whatever she want. She pissed me off somehow, she still get whatever she want. Talking about another from Nella as a home. Hit it in the shot, made her tell me what she want. Like I'm singing Maze, I made her tell me what she want. She on a power trip again. I know pussy power got me buying shit again. Friends ain't jacking me, you must be lying to your friends. They know I'm a beast, I'll wake the giants up again. Shining once again. Ran it up, I told her mama slide in my DMs. Now I'm right back in, locked in. Shawty got that dress on, told her block is hot again. Think so when I hit it, sound like fuck a ad lib. Gotta ask again. Then she got a trippin' on.
Guys, I wanna go home. I'm tipsy-ish. I never drink, but I'm not. Just have a glass of champagne. Oh my gosh, some just poured on me. Ice, Jesus. I'm not gonna say it. But I'm very tired. I'm gonna sleep. Take some cute pictures that I will not post. Home. I have a bonnet on because I keep a bonnet in my bag always.
I don't even know how to pack this shit.
You don't know how to pack it. I want to sleep so badly. The party was whack as fuck. You're fine, relax.
No, the person in front.
That's what I'm saying, you'd have felt it now if you're scratching anybody. Good night. See you next activity
Security.
or something.
Sit up there.
She's not scratching anything, right?
No.
Exactly. You're just dragging it. You're fine. Hey guys, I'm going home. I read that we're home. We're back from the party. The party was whack as fuck. So yeah. I don't know. Are we good? I'm trying so hard to film a week in my life because I don't go anywhere. There's even my mom that said I should go out. So that's why I even genuinely went out today. Because I don't be going anywhere. I'm homebody. I just want to be in... Hi guys, good morning. I'm in Jessica's kitchen this morning, and what are we having?
Minced beef sauce and rice. Egg.
Exactly. Oh, still good. That looks so good. Thanks. Taste test. Good.
Because no, I don't need no wrap. And then I'm gonna be using the hydrating concealer, the hydrating conditioner. This is also something that, if I'm being quite honest, I wouldn't really care to use on my weave, but
Say hi.
okay, we are freshly washed hair out of the shower. I have a big towel on. I actually ended up not putting conditioner on my extensions and on my nuts.
Hi guys, a little update. I've been working. Honestly, I've been living life outside my camera. And I know as a YouTuber, that's not what I'm supposed to be doing, and I get it. But honestly, I just turn on the lights on my camera. Oh, I don't have any light. But anyways, right now I'm editing BB's vlog. And it's so good. And what else? I think we're supposed to go out on Friday, and then I have church. Guys, I've been so excited to go to church, and I love that I'm at this spot in my life, and I'm like, oh, church. Like before, I was just like, I'm tired, but now I'm like, even if I'm tired, I'll go to church, and I'll come back home and then I'll sleep, and I love that for me, and I think that's really nice. Yeah. My music stuff, I decided to just, I don't know, forget what you're leaving. I don't know, maybe I'm creating music, maybe I'm not creating. I don't know, I feel like I can do every single thing I want to do. I can edit, I'm creative, I'm every single thing that I want to be. Because he doesn't need to learn his world. I haven't been vlogging because I'm really busy. I've been working, but right now I'm in Art Hotel with Vivi. We're here to shoot content, take pictures, videos. That's all. That's the reason why we're here. And right now I want to do my makeup, and I'm going to charge this camera because my camera is not charged. It's never charged, to be honest, but I have to charge it, so I come back. Bye. Special guest. Vivian!
that's what it is. Oh, is this for YouTube? Do you use this thing to go for YouTube? It comes out with this quality.
No, I know
this is
it's
actually nice. I think I'd rather even vlog with this than Osmo because it looks normal.
Yes, it's normal. You can adjust it. Like when you do edit, like you can adjust it.
Set the lights.
Nothing will happen.
This is actually nice.
This guy wants to buy Osmo. I don't think that Osmo has lighting issues.
Genuinely, I feel like I don't always.
Because if you know how to do your brows quite well, every other thing.
Yeah, every other thing just like falls into place with it. I just always want to have to do my brows.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, like the first time I ever like when I started doing makeup, first of all, when I come back from school, because my sister's makeup would always be like in the room, and she had most of the makeup. My grandma had makeup too. I always use my sister's makeup because it was there. You know, if I drew my brows, and funny enough, it was a problem at first that I was still the products to draw my brows, but then when everybody started seeing how good I was at it, everyone was like, oh, do my makeup on Sundays. I was the hot cake. Who wants my makeup from? Everybody started having to go to like different services, so I'll have time to do your makeup. Funny enough, genuinely, like everybody, I feel like everybody in my family thought I'd probably be a makeup artist.
Same.
Because of how obsessed I was with makeup growing up.
Funny enough, I never had like issues with anybody.
Really?
Don't make her too young.
Oh yeah, I did have issues because I was really obsessed with it. Like I was always like hide. Like, imagine just come back and just see me with like full face of makeup because sometimes I still have makeup.
There was one time a lady in church went to report
saying I'm obsessed. I won't be able to use this video.
Yo, you're thinking too much about it. It's not bad. It's not about like this way. I need to use wrong shade. I'm gonna do eyeshadow. I feel eyeshadow doesn't make sense. I don't know what color. I don't blue.
Oh, that's very good.
It's eyeshadow. I do blue eyeshadow. I don't really try with it's my camera. I don't know what the name do.
For what?
You get to try.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I wish I carried my tripod with my camera. Because that's even why I needed the tripod for the awesome.
Guys, I go crazy right now. But have faith in me. Woo! Get into my hair, get into it. So there's This is your plan finishing it. It didn't touch you. It did. It didn't touch you. Just need it. You don't need too much of it. No, you look too oily.
I need to look at this oily. I didn't have much for too oily. I need so much.
You like to look at it too oily or you don't?
I need to.
I need. Oh, guys, I don't like my lip. It's also feeling over here. So I love it. But I'm just oversteaming. This your face is racist. No, it's not showing that big.
It's light, it's very light actually.
I love this brown liner that you're using. Still, that's racist. It's not for my skin color. It's for yours. Yeah, perfect. Just gonna have my lip liner. Mademoiselle. Hello. Yeah, that's okay. Let me better.
Yes, yes.
Step back in.
Yep.
Yeah, that's maybe.
Thank you.
Hi guys, so I'm done my makeup and right now I'm about to start taking pictures and shooting content and all that jazz. So, bye. Hey, stop.
I'm done.
Guys, I don't know how to communicate. I'm like, hey, hi guys, this is what I'm doing. But maybe got flowers. One day we'll be in love to work hard. Well, anyways, I'm about to take pictures. I need to wear a bra. This outfit's selected. But yeah, the camera is covered in so much oil.
Please make that easy.
Let me see. Did you open it for me? Guys, on the rooftop, and I've been shooting content all fucking day, and I'm tired. My back is hurting, and Michelle wants to swim, so like we all have to be here to support baby Michelle. I Laila.
Currently, what's the name?
It's
It's like
11:15.
11:15.
We're gonna get food.
Hunting. Let it on my ass, cause made up pussy cigar. Spending out, free chest, nigga.
I spoke, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now. Got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my good day in my mind. Safe to take a step out. Get some air now. Let your edge out. To some I spoke, you'll be heavy.
Forget me. With the bell. Already.
So you, baby, baby, baby. I've been on my good day in my mind. Safe to take a step out. Get some air now.
Hi guys, we're checking out our hotel. Good morning. I'm on super early this morning. But anyways guys, back end of my vlog because I cannot continue. I don't know. I feel like I understand why Vivian gets views because she talks in the vlogs. Anyways, this is the end of this vlog. About music, I know that I've not posted anything. Just like a lot has gone on. I might never end up posting anything, you know, but still wish me the best. I might. Bye guys.